Hey guys, this is J-Rod LC08 from Blowout Cards coming at you with our recap for the 2011 value box break. We did a 60 box break and I gotta tell you it was kind of disappointing. We did not do very well, but nonetheless here is the recap. We'll start off with the Harpers, the little retail inserts. I left them all in the packages so that wouldn't have to kill a bunch of time opening these things up. But there's 34 reds, so the red slot picked up 34 Harpers. Silver slot did well with 22 silver Harpers. And last, my little slot that I had in the break, 4 golds. So 34 red, 22 silver, and 4 golds. Grand total of 60 retail Harpers. Now on to the hits of the break. And like I warned you already, this was not a pretty break. A little Anthony Rizzo Cognac rookie. Eric Hosmer Diamond Anniversary rookie. Sandy Koufax SP Cognac. Dan Uggla Hope Diamond numbered 50 of 60. The Braves. The Trout was a very disappointing slot. The Angels slot. 2 Trouts and 60 value boxes. I think we pulled 5 and 50 boxes. It was running 1 in every 10 boxes in our last break. This break not so lucky. 2 and 60 boxes. A couple of blue to 150s, looks like 3 of them. Wandy Rodriguez for the Astros. Archer for the Rays. Zach Cates, the Padres. And we did hit a Bryce Harper. It's not a refractor, it's just a Harper Chrome. And a Harper die cut. And a Harper die cut refractor. And a refractor. So Nat Spot picked up some good Harpers. For the jersey cards, the All-Star Game cards, Paul Konerko for the White Sox. Shane Victorino for the Phillies. And unfortunately, let me get these before they fall. This Hunter Pence that we pulled had a little ding at the bottom. You see that right there. So Hunter Pence, that'll go to the Astros. On to the autos. 3 autos and 60 boxes, which is still very good odds because it's 60 packs of Chrome. But well, I guess it's not that great. That's pretty standard. But 1 blue, 2 base. First one, Hunter Morris for the Brewers. Base auto, Yankees, Manny Benuelos, base, rookie. And for the blue, Alex Colon for the Rays. And that is it, guys. Thanks for joining the break. We'll see you next time.